Here we are at Topeka, capital city.
Hi.
Hello. That door is locked.
Yeah, we're closed typically this time of day.
Oh,
It's okay.
can I check
They didn't turn
in?
the sun around, did they? Yeah. And we're outside here.
And we booked one of the, I think it was 43 feet sites. It's one of their long sites. So I can put the truck in front and WandA in the back. It is a nice site. The thing I don't like about this site is that they're tandem sites. All the utilities are on one side. So I'm here for 4 nights. And it hasn't been so bad because what I end up doing when I do know it's a tandem site is I try to pull over as much as I can to the other side. So at least there's a 5 feet gap between me and the other side. And everyone that's pulled through here has been an A class. So they have slides, and their slides generally go out to about where the sewer is. So it still leaves me a gap. So would I stay here again? Oh yeah, I would stay here again. Okay, so again, it's a long site. This road dies down at about 6 o'clock. So don't hear any traffic at all. Water in, water out. Water pressure is good. What is that leaking? Oh, that's the air conditioner. Okay, I did have to put 2 blocks. Actually, it's 3. To level left and right. So one of the wooden blocks is considered 2. And then I put one of the snap pads blocks on top of that. So it's actually 3 blocks in order to make it level. There is another airstream over there. And there's one way over there in the distance. We are at Brown versus Board of Education National Historic Site in Topeka, Kansas. On May 17, 1954, the Supreme Court unanimously declared that segregated educational facilities are inherently unequal, and as such violate the 14th Amendment of the U.S. Constitution. This is the site of the former Monroe Elementary School.
The NHS have been gathering support for a lot of cases.
Today, we are at Tallgrass Prairie National Preserve in Strong City, Kansas. This 10,861 acre preserve protects the nationally significant example of the once vast tallgrass ecosystem of the 400,000 square miles of Tallgrass Prairie that once covered the North American continent. Less than 4% remains. Here, the Tallgrass Prairie takes its last stand. Wow, 4%.